We're moving on now to some breaking inputs coming in from Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court, which has extended the judicial custody of Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal till 8th of August in Delhi excise policy case. This is a CBI case we're talking about. Let's go across to Priyank for more on this. Yes, Priyank.
Yes, Sandy, there are two updates which are coming out from the Rouse Avenue Court, Swati. On one side, the judicial custody of Arvind Kejriwal has been extended till 8th of August in the CBI excise policy case, where he was, he was produced through video conferencing. There was simultaneous case of the excise policy with respect to the money laundering case, where the K. Kavita, Arvind Kejriwal, Manish Sisodiya were produced through video conferencing. On this, the next date of hearing has been decided on 31st of July. So on both the cases, the next date of hearing has been decided. In one case, they will have to be produced on 8th. On the other side, on 31st of July, they have to start this particular hearing, which is going on in the excise policy case.
Right, so Arvind Kejriwal was produced through video conferencing, and the custody has been extended till the 8th of August in the Delhi excise policy case, the one that the CBI is investigating. There'll be some political reactions as well on this. We'll try and get you those. But there is no relief clearly in sight at the moment, at least for Arvind Kejriwal. Priyank?
Certainly not, because the other apex court hearing and the high court hearing is still going on, is still pending in this case. We are talking about the trial court, which is Rouse Avenue Court, for which the judicial custody has been extended. Because remember, this is the court which has been hearing this particular case. The case status is still at the trial court, which is Rouse Avenue Court. So on that note, the both hearing will have to be scheduled on 8th as well as on 31st of July.
All right, Priyank, thank you very much for getting us the details. Keep tracking all the developments. We'll come back to you for more updates.